Audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, guys. So, what we discussed in the last session, just a brief, what we discussed. Yes,
Sir, about Google Docs.
Google Docs we have discussed. Okay. I think I have given some work also, like you have to find some sensitive information using the Google Docs. Anyone got anything? Or any sensitive information, confidential information, anything do you got?
Sir, I've already submitted, yes, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, the assignment has been submitted by me.
Okay. All right. So today we will discuss some metadata viewers, like how to gather information by YouTube videos and how to gather information, previous year website screenshot using some wayback missions and all. And we will discuss some Chrome extensions which will help well to know some better information about your target organization. So let me share my screen. Okay. So first we will start with the wayback mission. So this wayback mission is, see, whenever a web application, okay, whenever a web application is updated, so an internet will take a screenshot of that website, and every screenshot of the website will be saved in a archive. So this wayback mission will retrieve those screenshots for a investigation purposes, like, so if you want to retrieve what are the technologies they are using earlier, okay, and you can use it for the research purpose. So suppose there is an SQL injection vulnerability is there in the website. So when this SQL injection vulnerability is there in the website, in which year it is there, what are the URLs, everything you can see using the wayback mission, and you can know what are the updated technologies they are using currently and what are the last technologies they have been using. So this is a wayback mission. So for every year, when it is started on 2002, okay. So whenever a user is updating his website, it will take a one screenshot. Suppose here I will take this amazon.com. I'll just copy this URL. Okay. Then go to here and paste the URL. Then hit enter. You will get some. Here is a screenshot of this one. Okay. So when it is created, the first screenshot has been taken on 1998. On the 1998, December 12, it has taken it afternoon 1:25, or I think a midnight 1:25 it is. Okay. Then click on this one. So if you click on this one, you will get what. So how it looked like on 1992. I think there is some error in this December 12, 1998. It will be redirecting to the other date. Yeah. So it is redirect to the May 22, 2006, because there is some errors. Okay. So in the May 22, 2006, the Amazon.com website look like this. So this is the website on 2006. Like this, you can see whenever you want anything. Otherwise, you can go to this URLs also. Here, URLs is the site URL, site maps, collections, changes, summary, everything is there. So how many times it has taken the screenshot? This many times of it has taken the screenshot between the 12th December 1998 to July 1st, 2024, means present date. So if you check this one URL, you will get the URL. So loading it will take a large, will take a lot of time. It is having some CLI tools also, that is a wayback URLs in the Kali Linux. So you can use that one also. You can retrieve the different URL, so that you can find, so which in which year they got this type of vulnerability. Suppose for SQL injection we have some conditions will be there. Okay, so that condition will be based on the URL only. So on which year they have found the SQL injection, on which year they have found the cross-site scripting vulnerability, command injection, path traversal, are different kinds of vulnerabilities with them. By seeing the URLs, you can say it's a vulnerable for this vulnerability, like this, so that you can know how many vulnerabilities are there in the earlier years, what are the updating patches they have done. Everything you can see here using this webback mission. can see the sitemap. Okay, so it is taking a lot of time. We will use this webback URLs in the upcoming sessions while doing the penetration testing. So as of now, just this is the webback mission used to retrieve the previous year websites. So now the Amazon.com is looking like this, but in the earlier years, you already see that one how it looked like. Is it clear for everyone? This webback mission. Does anyone have any doubts with this one? So nearly 866 billion web pages are there. 866 billion web pages are there saved over time. I hope it is clear. So here you can see the sitemap of this website. So sitemap is nothing but how many pages are there. Suppose Amazon.com is running with a different web pages. So how many pages are there? What are the pages are there? Everything will be there in this sitemap. Okay. So if you see in 2000, what is the sitemap? Only having the Amazon.com. 2003, we are having this some. See here the URL look like somewhat similar to the SQL injection. The web is not getting like this. You can find out everything. Is it clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts? Yes. Okay. Now the thing is extensions. Using extensions, we can find some more information about your target. Suppose, can anyone just let me know by seeing this web application? Can you please tell me what are the technologies they have been using, including the libraries? Anyone? Yeah, even though if you are an expert in a web developing, you cannot say what is the version of they are using. Suppose if they are using the libraries of jQuery, can you tell me what is the version of jQuery they are using? Anybody? Yes. Is there anyone? Am I audible, guys? Is it possible to say by seeing this website on what are the technologies they have been using to develop this website? Anybody? Just respond or let me know am I audible or not. Hello.
Sir, maybe sir Web 6 because nowadays it's a lot more in highlights. So maybe Web 6 is being used.
Okay. So you can say so 2 to 3 technologies of these are the technologies they have used. Can you tell the entire technology? What are the libraries? What are the web servers they are using? What are the firewall? What are the advertisement techniques they are using? Everything. It's not possible by seeing a website. So no one can tell that one. What are the technologies they have been using? We can use some different extensions to let know what are the technologies they have been using. So the first one is yes, Netcraft. Okay, build with Netcraft is using to for phishing like anti-phishing. You can use for anti-phishing. Build with it's a built with, not a build with. Built with we can use. It doesn't give you the accurate result. The Vapalizer. So Vapalizer is the only extension will give you the exact result. So everyone, please open a new tab and search for the Vapalizer Chrome extension. Vapalizer Chrome extension. Open the first one, Vapalizer Technology Profiler. So click on here, add to Chrome. We are just adding it to the Chrome toolbar. Okay, click on add to Chrome. Here, click on add extension. Then it will download that application. So here it is downloading. Once it is downloaded, automatically it will be installed in a toolbar. So we have to pin that one into the toolbar. So now it is successfully installed. So how to use this one? So we have to go to the any one of the website, click on the icon for a list of identified technologies, click on the technology or category for more insights. Simple one. So once it is added, you have to click on here, but you can pin this one to the this toolbar. This is a toolbar. Okay, this is the toolbar. Here we have a one jigsaw puzzle will be there. Okay, just click on here the pin symbol. Now here it is be pinned. So now go back to the amazon.com. Can you change? Yes, that is your. Okay, okay. I think I don't have the host things. I think you can chat with all the people. Okay, no issue. So you can directly you can talk to me. I'm only asking the questions. You can answer to me only. No issues. Host controls. 1 second. I'll check it. Okay, I have changed it to everyone. Hmm. Now, see, we have come back to the amazon.com. If you click here, you won't get any data because you just need to reload the page. Once reloading is done, so here you will get 4. Now you're getting 4 things, 6, 9. Okay, so 9 is there. So just click on this one. Here you can see what are the security they are using, HSTS. What are the miscellaneous they are using, OpenGraphQL. HTTP version 3 they are using. What is the CDN they are using? Cloud, Amazon CloudFront. Advertising, Amazon Advertising. UI framework, Civic theme. Platform as a service, Amazon Web Services. JavaScript libraries they are using, Core.js, jQuery. The Core.js version is 3.17.3. So what is the purpose of knowing all these things? Anybody? What is the purpose of knowing all these things? Suppose, so here you have found JavaScript library they are using. That is Core.js 3.17.3. So what hacker will do is, hacker will search about that one, JavaScript library Core.js 3.17.3, 3.17.3, right? This 3.17.3 exploits. So whenever you have noticed that it is having any version number, you just need to search for the exploits or vulnerabilities on this version. Then only you can exploit the specific target. Okay. So here you can see vulnerabilities are there. Just open this one. So no direct vulnerabilities have been found, which means this version is the secure one and this is the latest version. 3.37.1 is the latest version, but they are still using the 3.17.3 only. Okay, like that you can mention they are using a old version, try to update to the new version if they have any vulnerabilities. Actually it is saying that there is no direct vulnerabilities are there in this version. If it is there, you can exploit the amazon.com and you can enter into the amazon.com. Like this you can work. So that is the main importance of knowing the what are the technologies they have been using. So if we have the vulnerabilities on the technologies, we can exploit the vulnerabilities. Got my point? Anyone have any doubts with this extinction? Okay. So next, here in the web store, search for the certificate info. So open the first one, certificate info. So what is the purpose of this certificate info? So with the certificate info, see, for every domain, there will be an there will be an expiry date will be there. Suppose even if you take the google.com, google.com is a domain. So they are buying from one domain partner only. Okay. So even they bought the domain, so they have to renewal that domain for every year or every 3 years or every 12 years. Okay. But if in case they have forgot to renewal the google.com, you can buy the google.com for at any cost, like it will be 1,000, 2,000, or suppose just take assume 5,000 rupees. So what will happen? So once what happen is, so Google, they have forget, they didn't notice that the google.com has been expired. One of the former employee of the google.com, he noticed that one google.com has been expired. Okay, what he done? So he bought that google.com officially. Okay, he bought the google.com officially, and he uploaded his portfolio. So if anyone type google.com, what will happen? You will get this one, google.com, Google search page, search engine, you will get. This is the google.com website. But so at that time, what it is coming is like everyone getting his portfolio, like his website, his details is getting. So and the google.com has, Google has noticed that one. So our domain has been breached. Someone has taken our domain. So they want to file a case against him. Okay. So and the lawyer asked 2 crore rupees. Okay, this 2 crore rupees for case study only. Okay, not applying the case also, just reading the case study, I needed 2 crore rupees. So then what they have did, so he bought it officially, because there is no proof to prove them, so that he is take down the domain and all. So that domain has been expired, he bought it from a officially from the domain store. He have all the purchases, payment receipts, everything he has having. So what Google done, so Google have paid to him nearly 10 to 20 crore rupees, and they have taken that google.com return. So like this, so I'm not saying to do all those things. Okay, being a penetration tester, if you're getting any project, so you have to inform them. So this is the expiration time, you have to renew your domain within this time. So like this, with the help of this one, you can say when this domain has been going to expire, who is the digital certificate, who is the certificate issuer, everything you will get to know. So this is the that one, a certificate info. Then click on add to Chrome, add extension. So now pin this one to the toolbar. Now go to the amazon.com, just refresh the page. So here you can see, so who is the issuer of the certificate? This is it, Global GS CA2. This website operator control over this domain has been validated. When it's going to expire? It is going to expire on 26th January 2025. This certificate will be expire in a 208 days. So like this, you can find out the vulnerable things. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts? Okay, we'll move on to the next extension, that is a country flag and IP who is Chrome extension. Country flags and IP who is Chrome extension. See, we have discussed something in the who is domaintools.com. There we have seen, so what is the IP address of your target website? So what are the name servers, where the service has been hosted, in which country the service has been hosting. Okay, so what are the registered email address? So everything we have seen. So with this extension, what we can do is we can able to know in which country the server has been installed and what is the IP address of your target website. Okay, you just need to click on here, add to Chrome, add extension. So here you can see country flag and IP who is, the country is United States, host is www.google.com, and this is the server IP address. So like this, you will get to know. Like this, you will get to know what is the IP address of your target website. So now pin this one, go to the amazon.com, refresh the page and click on here. If you click here, just move your cursor, no need to click anything. So here you can see the countries United States, host is amazon.com, server IP address we got here IPv6 address. It's not a IP v4 address, it is a IP v6 address. Got it? Like this you can find the things. And the next one is okay. Suppose tempmail.org.in /in. See, everywhere wherever you are creating an account, okay, so just use temporary email address, don't use your original email address. So what will happen if a website is not secure? So data breach will be happen to your other particular website. So then what will happen? All your data will be available in the darknet. So everyone will know that, everyone will use that data to brute force on the accounts. They will take care of your accounts, everything they will do. So that's the reason, don't use your original email address. Instead of original email addresses, use the temp mail. So you can use this one. I'm sharing this one link in the chat box. So just open this one. So you can use this one to get a temporary email address. What are the OTPs are there? Everything you will get it here. So here you will get all the OTPs, everything you will get it here. Suppose, and one more thing, here we have a lot of ads is there. So we don't know whether this web application is secure one or not. If you accidentally click on any one of the link, if it is a malicious one, what will happen? In the backend, application will be downloaded to your system. And what will happen? It will corrupt your data, it will lock your data. So it will transfer your data from your PC to the hacker PC. So everything will be possible with the adwares and spywares. So that's why if you want to secure yourself from the adwares and spywares, you have to install one extension, that is a ghostery. So ghostery will block all the adwares, spywares, trackers, everything it will be blocked. So if you see here, how many technologies they have been using? 28 technologies nearly. So for the analytics, Google Analytics, enhanced e-commerce, JavaScript frameworks, AMP, web frameworks, miscellaneous programming languages, CDN. For advertising, these are the things they are using. And payment process, tag managers, JavaScript libraries. So here we have some versions as the jQuery version also got, Bootstrap version also we got it. So like this, we just need to find some vulnerabilities and we can exploit this one. Okay, so first install that ghostery ad blocker. Go to a new tab, type ghostery Chrome extension. So open the first one, tracker and ad blocker. With this one you can stop the ads in a YouTube also. So just add it to the Chrome, add extension. Successfully it's added to the Chrome. Then pin it to the Chrome. That's it. You just need to enable this ghostery. Automatically you will get a new window for enabling ghostery to get started. Enable ghostery. So now you can pin it here. After this, come to this page. So here we are having the ads we are having, right? So if you see here, ghostery has access to this site. It doesn't stop anything here. So zero, no activities detected. Just refresh the page. So if you see here, we are not getting any ads here. We are not getting any ads. We are just only getting the page details. So here we got the email address, and here you can see how many things it has been blocked. So it has blocked nearly 8 trackers. See, just a normal website having the 8 trackers. So here ad blocking is enabled, anti-tracking and enable, never consent, enable. So here you can see 5 advertisement it has blocked, site analytics, 2 analytics has blocked, 8 trackers it has blocked. Okay, got my point? If you want to check the entire dealers, you can check it here. Like this, you can check it. Okay. And the next thing is cookie editor. So cookie editor will be helpful for penetration testers to steal the other session cookies. Okay, cookies, with the cookies, we can retrieve the account without any username password. without any username, password. Suppose cookie editor. So this is the one we have to, not this one, cookie editor extension. Yeah, this one we need to install to the Chrome, then install it. So with this one, what will happen? So we just need to export the cookies from one website. By using those cookies, we can log into the website without any username and password. Because see, every website have some cookies session will be there. So each cookies have some expiration time will be there. By using the cookies, we can retrieve the sessions. Okay, we can retrieve the session. First, we will go to this test.php1web.com. I'll show you practically. I don't know whether this one will be work on this website or not, because why it will be work for only some websites is, so it will be work on the Amazon Prime, it will be work on the Netflix, it will work on the, earlier it is working on for Hotstar also, now it's not working. Amazon Prime also it's not working now. Netflix it's still working. So with this one, so why they have implemented this one? See, whenever user logins to the Netflix, the availability, the login availability will be there for 7 weeks, 7 days, or 10 days. So whenever user has just typed the netflix.com, so they easily get into their account. So how this is happening? So with the use of these cookies, so the website is storing the cookies. So whenever user come with the same cookies, the website is accessing with the same account by just identifying the cookies. So here I'm just logging into this account, test, test, and enter. So here is a John Smith, everything is there. Okay, John Smith, I'll change it to the Surya. Okay, then I'll update here. Here I'm logging. So before log out of this one, I'll capture these cookies. I'll capture this cookies. So here I'm exporting these cookies as a JSON. So now I'll log out here. So here, if you see here, if I'm click on this sign up, it is asking the username and password. What I'll do is, same thing I will do. I'll go to this cookie editor, import the cookies. I'll paste the cookies here. Then I'll click on again import. Then refresh the page. So if it is working for this one, so you will get the directly account page. If it is not working, you won't get any page. So like this, you have to test each and every website for a cookie session hijacking methodology. Okay. Good. Okay, it's not there. I think this one. Logo test. Okay. So it is there. It is there. So that's why here I'm getting the logo test. So if I include here the credentials, see, here I inserted the login credentials. I mean, the cookies I'm inserted here. Then again, I'll import, I'll refresh the page. So as of now, here we don't have this logo test. Whenever I refresh the page, here I'm getting the logo test, which means the website in the backend has logged in as a test user. That's why I'm getting here logout as a test. So whenever I click on here logout test, so you have been logged out, which means in the server in the backend, it has been accessed by the same cookies. Are you getting my point? Yes. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then next, the Netcraft. The Netcraft extension. So with this one, we can block the phishing sites. Okay. So it's somewhat a security for us. Okay. It will find us which country it is, what is the IP address, what is the first scene of this website. So everything it will do. It's somewhat a security purposes we are using. If any phishing site you have wrongly clicked, it will tell us to it is a suspected phishing. Like this, it will mention. So just add this to your Chrome, add extension. Pin this one. Then go to any one of the website and refresh the page. Click on this netcraft. So it will tell you that what is the country EU, when it is the first seen, 1996 October, site rank, Akamai Technologies. Okay. So if you click here the digital disable protection for this site, it will disable the protection for this site. Dhanaraj is asking that how can we capture any request of login page and get credentials? Like we have a different methodologies are there. You can use the Wireshark for capturing the credentials. You can use the burp suite for capturing the credentials. So that one we will discuss in the 8th module. And this one, the credentials capturing by the burp suite will get it in 13th and 14th modules in CH. Yeah. So with the help of this netcraft, we can block some phishing sites and all things. Okay. And the next one is Keepa. So Keepa is for only the price tracker. Keepa is a price tracker. So this one only useful for Amazon price tracker only. Suppose you want to buy one product, okay? So you don't know what is the exact product or exact price of this product. So it is saying that it's nearly $20 or $30, but the actual price of the product you don't know. So that's why at that time you are just wasting the money. You're paying more than it deserves. So with this help of this tool, you can know what is the actual price of the product. So what is the price it has started? What is the current price? Okay, so how far it is going? What is the total cost? Everything you can see. Suppose here I am just opening these dumbbells. So it is $25 nearly. Okay. So here you will get the Keepa price tracker. You will get a chart. So what is the starting price of this product? Suppose if you see here, so here you can see it's a warehouse deals, but actual current price is this one. Actually, it started with $25.28. So after this one, it has been say the sale has been decreased to $22. Then it is continued to 9th May to June 12. Up to June 12, it is continued the same price, $21.99. Then again, it has been increased to $25.3. So like this, you can track the price of any product in the Amazon. Got it? So if you want, you can see the last 3 months price, last year price. Okay, all when the product has been started. So the highest peak of this one is $82. The sale of this sale of this product highest price is $82. So what is the least price? Uh, the least price is $19.24. Like this, you can find the things. Got it? Yes, I think hope it is got it. Then the next one is privacy extension for WhatsApp. So nowadays, like those of those, some many of the people are using the web WhatsApp, including me. I'm also using the web WhatsApp. Sometimes I'll feel like someone is reading my chats behind of me, like they are doing some shoulder surfing like that. So at that time, one of my friend referred me. So you can use this one. So this is a privacy extension for the WhatsApp web. So what you can blur all the messages, including their names, the profile pictures, everything. Whenever you move the mouse to that message, then only it will be unblur the message. That too, it will take some time, 2 to 3 seconds. It will take to unblur the website. It is having some 2.6 rating, but it will be a useful thing to everyone. So if you want it, you can use it to the Chrome and just click on that one and see we have a different options will be there here. So all messages in chat, if you remove this one, so all the chats, all the messages in the chats will be visible. If you turn on this one, they won't be visible. Profile pictures, if you want to blur the profile pictures, you can blur it. Usernames, transition delay. No transition delay means whenever you move the mouse to the message, automatically the message will be open. Otherwise, it will take a 2 to 3 seconds to open the website message. Got it? So you can use this one privacy extension for WhatsApp web. And the next one is the user agent switch. The Chrome extensions, if you want whatever you want, like if you don't like this Chrome one, okay, Chrome interface you didn't like, if you want to change this Chrome extension or Edge, or if you don't like this Windows 7, if you want to change this to the Mac OS or a Linux operating system, you can change the Chrome as per your requirement. So just add it to the Chrome. I'll let you know how it will work. So like this, you can change the interface of the a web browser. So now it has been added. So now you can see here Chrome. So in the Chrome, if you want Chrome interface, this is a Chrome interface. If you want Internet Explorer interface, just click on this one. So which Internet Explorer you want? I want here Internet Explorer 7. Okay, there is no change, I think. Okay, nothing changed. So then I'll move to the Android iPhone 6. What's the difference here? Okay, I'll change this one to the iPad. Okay, nothing is there. Then Android I'll change Android KitKat. Do I need to refresh the page? Okay, so Windows Phone 8, Firefox. I think this extension is not working now. I think it's not working now. Didn't work it. Okay, no issues with that one. Yeah, so these are the extensions we are having for retrieving the information from the online. Anyone have any doubts with this one? Yes. Okay, so now we will go to the YouTube. We'll go to the YouTube now. Please update your browser. Okay. So here you are getting Opera Mini. I'll use this iPad, iPhone 6, not getting Chrome default. So now we need to select a video here. So I'll go to this to Alley. So I'll select one video from the Stu Alley, means Stu Intern. Okay, no issues. I'll go with the Cyber Shield Academy 116. So just select any one of the video here, and here I'm selecting this video. I'll click on share. So here I have a link will be there. So just copy this link, go to a new website, okay, new tab, and search for the YouTube metadata. YouTube metadata. Open the first one, that is a matw.io. So here what you have to do, you just need to paste the URL of your target website, and it will show you when this video has been uploaded, what are the tags will be there. Okay, so what you will get by this using the information. You will get some information about your target organization, like so when they are uploading their videos, what are the technologies they are using in the videos. Okay, so is there regularly uploading your videos or not? Everything you will get the some information. Just need to paste the URL and hit enter. Then here you can see understanding the cross-site scripting web security basics, and here's some description are there, and here is the width and height. So with this one you can find what is the system settings, like a display settings you can find. Okay, and this is a medium one, this is a high one. So category number 22. So if you see here, when it is published on 17th May 2024, a month ago. So category 22, which means it is a people and blocks, and this is a video ID for this one. And what is the view count, like count, and so if YouTube fails to remove the geolocation, you will get the geolocation also, like from where it is the video has been uploaded, what is the address, location, everything you will get. So here we have a process ID, I mean a process, public, YouTube, some information. This information you will get. So here is the reverse images, like if you want to search for the reverse image search, you can just click on here, it will do the reverse image search and it will find out the some information for you. Okay, so here is some archive details for this one. So otherwise here you can see when the channel has been started, so what is the custom URL, so when it is published, everything you will get here. So just metadata for every image or a video, having some metadata will be there. So that's one we need to find. As a penetration tester, you have to find the metadata of everything. Whatever you are doing in the application, you have to gather the metadata for everything. Got my point? Yes. Okay. Then we will see one thing. And one more thing you need to remember, if a web application is failed to remove the metadata, so what will happen with that metadata, you can find what is the location of that one. Okay, what is the location, which mobile they have taken the photos, what is the pixel, what is the mobile name, everything you can know. So wait a second, I'll show you. Photo Zimple.com, that is GMPL. This is a web application. Many of the our web in our company also will use this one, also data viewer. So with this one, you just need to upload an image here. So with that image, if see, so how we are testing this one is, so there is a one website is okay, there is a one website, and this website having the profile picture update functionality. So a user is uploading his profile picture in this website. So hacker, what he is doing is, so this profile will be visible for everyone. So right click here and he is downloaded that image. Okay, so after downloading that image, he pasted that image here. Okay, suppose just assume I'm stopping my screen sharing, I'll upload here one image. I think it's not there. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Yeah. All right. So here I'm uploading the image. So this is the image I have been uploading here. Okay. So after uploading this one, here is the image metadata. Okay. So you can see 3.19 data, that is fine, it's RGB. And here you can see the location of this one. So here where it is taken, it's taken on Sivajoti Nagar, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, this is the location of that website. I mean, this image, and this is the above 80 meters above the sea level. What is the latitude? What is the longitude? Everything you'll get. And what is the mobile brand? It's a Realme. What is the mobile model number? So Realme Nazo N53. It's my mobile. And if we have used flash or not, everything we will get. What is the ISO? What is the exposure? Aperture? Everything we will get. So with this information, if we have any vulnerabilities in the Realme Nazo N53, so an attacker can easily exploit our mobile because it is having any vulnerabilities. It is easy to exploit the thing. So when it is taken this image, so everything you can get. The main information is the location. So if a website is failed to remove the metadata, so if it is failed to remove all this metadata, it is very dangerous. If I upload the another image, so just see, I'll upload the another image like this one. I'll upload this bank details. I'll upload. See, we don't, this photo doesn't include location data. We cannot find where it was taken because I have shared this one through the WhatsApp. WhatsApp will remove all the metadata after uploading to the chats. Okay, but if a website fail to remove all these things, it is vulnerable for finding the location of the users. Got my points? Yes. Anyone have any doubts with this? And one more tool is there, that is in Kali Linux, we have a EXIF tool is there. Okay, we have a EXIF metadata viewer is there. So while doing this penetration testing, we will discuss that tool in the Kali Linux. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Anyone have any doubts? Yes, Satvika. Yes, Satvika, tell me. These tools, can we use them in app in mobiles also? Yes, you can use it in mobiles also because everything is available in the internet only. So you can, everything is a web-based one. You can use it in a mobile also. No issues. And one more thing, guys, note down the assignment. So what you have to do, you have to find a more website like this. So information gathering website. I have told you this, whois dot reverse IP lookup vudns.info, and these are the some simple.com. Like this, we have a different information gathering tools are there. So you have to make a report on information gathering. You have to gather the information about what are the tools are there, online tools are there for information gathering, and the first one. And the second one is a Maltigo. Malt Ego is an web. It's a tool. It's a Kali Linux inbuilt tool which is used for information gathering. And just know about it. What is Maltigo and all things. Got it? So that is your today's assignment. You have to submit the report by the next class. Clear? Anyone have any doubts? Yes. And one more thing. See, I just told you this simple.com, right? So what you have to do, go to the every website. Okay, go to every website, create an account using the temp mail. I have shared the link in the chat box also. Using the temp mail, create an account and check for is there any image upload functionality. Okay, image upload functionality. If there is an image profile picture update is there, just upload one photo from your mobile. Okay, and download that same photo from that website. Okay, before uploading that photo, the photo should contain some value of metadata, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so that's why whenever you want to share anything in WhatsApp, just share through the documents. So for documents, the WhatsApp should not remove any metadata. So just send it to the using document only. So send it to the documents and download it in the web WhatsApp in the browser and upload that one to any one of the website and download that one again and check the metadata for the downloaded one. If the downloaded one having the location and all things, so it is a vulnerable. I'll let you know. So just I'll show you the one example. So Satvika, you're asking that can you spell out the tool in Kali Linux? That is a Malt Ego. I'll write here. Malt Ego. Okay. So just go to the any one of the website. So here I'm going the here we need a one image upload functionality. Otherwise it won't work. Wherever it is, we just need a some image upload functionality. Here we don't have. Okay. So I'll go to this daraz.pk. Suppose here we have a different images are there, right? So here's the one Bluetooth headphone is there. First, just assume I have uploaded this one in this website. I have uploaded before uploading, so it is having some metadata in the backend. Okay, like here I have uploaded this too late photo. So now I have to download this one, save images. Just save this one. So it is saved successfully, and go back to the zimple.com, upload that downloaded one here. So here you can see it is telling that this photo doesn't include location data. We cannot find where it was taken. If you are getting like this, it is not vulnerable. If you are not getting like this, if you are getting something else, like you are getting some location details and all things, it is vulnerable. Got my point, guys? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? Yes. Do you have any doubts, guys? Okay. So if you don't have any doubts, we can conclude this session. Otherwise, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for the session. Thank you for the joining session. We'll see you on this Friday. Saturday, right? Saturday, Friday, or Friday. Yeah. Is it clear for everyone? So I need a response from you, and do that assignment and submit. So don't fail to submit it. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. We will wind up this session. Thank you. Thank you for the joining the session. Mandira, are you there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you guys for the joining. Yeah, have a nice